Sodor. Come and play exciting minigames with me and my friends in an awesome train set that magically comes to life. Collect cool toys to build and customize your very own train set. Ready to roll out? We are! Hey, there you are. Good to see you. Where to now? Left leads to... Good job! Just slice or tap it to open. Forward leads to... Knapford Station's just ahead. Help the passengers board the carriage. Drag each of them to the square with the matching... Excellent! Wow! That was a blast! Full steam ahead! You've opened all the toys in this box, but there are still lots of things to win in other boxes. Get the Mega Bundle to add even more to your train set. This adventure box contains a unique engine, 9 toys to place in your train set. Which way do you want to go? Left leads to... Right leads to... Forward leads to... The Soda Steamworks are just ahead. Right leads to... The Steamworks are just ahead. Time for a refreshing wash at the Steamworks. Touch the mud to wash it off. Be sure to clean it all. We're always happy to help. There's nothing left to unwrap. Choose your engine. Lights out. Lights on. To Brendam Docks. Let's go. Help Cranky unload the special deliveries onto the boat. Wind the crank to lift and lower the deliveries. Great! Excellent! Great! Thanks a lot for your help. You've opened all the... Where to now? Forward leads. Let's go to the big bridge. You've got this. Help the engine jump the big bridge. Tap as fast as you can on the buttons to make the engines go, go, go. Let's get this back on track. That was so much fun! There's nothing left to unwrap. The passengers have arrived. Annie says thank you. Which way do you want to go? Right. Left leads to... This adventure box contains a... This adventure... The tunnel is nearby. Excellent. Just slice or tap it to open. Rusted bolts! The tunnel's collapsed and our friend is stuck. Can you piece it all back together? Well done! Wow! We're always happy to help. There's nothing left to unwrap, but these new packs are full of new toys to open. Get the Mega Bundle to add even more to your trip. Excellent! Which way do you want to go? Forward lead. We're almost at the town square. Left leads to the Boulder Cliffs. Forward leads to the town square station.